All right, I'll admit it. I'm a cheapskate and I'm trying to save money on this flip house. So I'm gonna actually measure and order my own granite and install it myself and hopefully save $1,000, if not a little bit more than that. I would normally not do this if I had an L-shaped corner kitchen, just because it's a lot more difficult to get two pieces in a corner to fit tightly, and the Granite people definitely have a much better grasp of how to go about doing that. But since this countertop is just a straight 8-foot countertop, it's not going to be a big deal to install myself because there really isn't anything to reference or screw up. So we're going to take this existing countertop out and we're going to put it in a new granite. So first we're going to have to disconnect the plumbing. So one thing I definitely underestimated was how heavy a 98-inch countertop could possibly be, this granite top. I didn't I totally underestimated it. It's about 250 pounds, if not a little bit more than that. So I'm gonna need a little bit of help to actually get this into place.
What's going on?
We're just gonna slide it open. I mean, it should just slide right underneath of that tile there.
Can we slide, or we need to drop it down in place?
No, we can just put it open and slide it over. How much room do you have over there? Yeah, I should probably bring it down there a little bit.
Now I'm just over by 1/8 inch. What am I supposed to be? I probably need another quarter inch. You want to match his side? On that side. Probably
That's,
where you
yeah, that's
were.
probably good.
A little bit heavier on that side.
Yeah. That's all right. That looks good. Sweet. Yeah, you can see why I couldn't pick that up.
Yeah, well, I mean, it didn't play it up, break the thing.
I mean, this is pretty thick, and I didn't have them drill this
I
out.
almost feel
So.
like if you lift it up, I mean, I probably would, but I feel like if you lift that side and not lift that side, it would crack in the middle.
I know, that's what I was afraid of.
Yeah.
Okay, so before we put our sink in, we're gonna put in our sink faucet. We got this faucet here off of Amazon. Pretty simple installation. It has the pull sprayer all incorporated, very similar to a lot of other style products here. So first we need to drill a hole. And I purposely did not get a hole drilled because I was afraid of it cracking by me transporting it. So basically we just need an 1 3/8 inch hole. Yeah, 1 3/8. So we're gonna put that in first before we get into this, just because it's going to make it easier to put the faucet together before we actually put the sink in, rather than have to crawl around in the back. So total width is 28 3/8, so like 14 3/16. All right, now we're going to go 3 inches back from our sink, using my Calidad 1 3/8 inch bit. This is awesome because it fits on a grinder. And then we're just going to plunge cut and get this faucet in. And what I'm going to do here is put a board across here, use a 12-inch clamp. We silicone around the bottom of this before we set it in place. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and put our clamps on. These clamps we put underneath of there. Okay, so we'll put a little drain assembly on here. Put some silicone around this guy and around top of our drain. All right, so the granite is all in. We got our big farm sink in here with this great faucet. Really sharpens it up. Just changing some countertops out is gonna make your kitchen just look so much nicer. So hopefully this video has helped you out with being able to know how to put a granite countertop in.